Hello, this is me. Alright, so build 10 is making this motor move, and yeah. So we have, referring to the flow chart, we have our start. At the start, we read our pins, and that is pin 11 or 10, 11, and AO. Sorry, 10, 11, AO over here. So those control the motor speed here via, once it reads pin AO, that value that is passed to the Arduino is multiplied by, that indicates the voltage at A naught, or at AO, and we are passing to the motor speed 1/4 of that value. So the range of 1024 is now divided by 4. So that means that we are passing that to the pulse width modulation. So to control the motor otherwise, we are reading at pins 11 and 12, or 10 and 11. I'll change that. But at pin number 11, we are reading the on-off condition, toggled. So if in our loop we detect that the button is being pressed, the on-off button is being pressed, which gives the pin a value of high, then we set a temporary variable to on. And if that temporary variable was off last time and on this time, that means that we set the motor direction, we set the motor on off to, sorry, I took the wrong thing here. We set the motor on off to on. And this will set motor enabled to opposite what it currently is. Because if it's off, if the motor is currently off, as it is now, and I'm going to go and push the button, that means that the previous motor enabled state is off. Now I'm going to change it to on. As you can see, it is now rotating. Or you can hear that it's rotating, more like. I don't know what you can see here. It's in focus. Just to prove that it works, it's currently spinning, and you'll be able to see, you can hear it, and now it'll jump. This indicates a direction, or a change in direction, because the torque. So I'm now going to demonstrate this part that works. You can hear by the pitch. I am turning this, and it's doing that. So, yes, and I'll turn that off. So, the turning gives that part, or that's the motor speed, and for it flipping the direction, it will go from, it will be the same thing as with the on-off, except that instead of turning on to off and off to on, it will change counterclockwise to clockwise and clockwise to counterclockwise, respectively. Depending, it will change the direction of the motor. Thank you very much.